dakilang may likha sa kalingat pang-unawa, mangyari ang iyong diwa sa langit at sa lupa. Bigyan mo ng sapat ang lahat sa araw-araw, turuang magparaya gaya ng iyong gawa. Iadyan niyo kami sa pagmamataas upang maiwaksi ang lupit at dahas. At samahang lumikha ng pamayanang payapa sa kalikasan, kabuhayan, kakanyahan, paniniwala.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, ewas ang sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pangaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang katawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang may di magdidinig. Lumang ang araw ng warhabit pagsingka, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga aking, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is the closing ceremony of Regional Bicol Hospital Week 2025. Firstly, maraming salamat for patiently waiting and for your understanding na late man tayo ng simula ng ating program. But thank you for staying with us. Thank you for showing your care and support to your participating group until this very moment. Kaya with that, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Thank you all so much. Now, for days, we have witnessed you running the courts, dancing to the beat, sweating it out for teamwork, sportsmanship, and unity. From the hospitals to open fields, from emergency calls to volleyball spikes, you showed us that excellence isn't just in saving lives. It is also in living fully with dedication, discipline, and a winning heart. So this year's theme, On Call, On Courts, Onward, it was more than just a slogan. It was also a battle cry of balance, of duty and delight, of grit and grace, of healing and high fives. So today, we don't just close a chapter, we are going to celebrate the victories. We are going to honor efforts, and we are going to ignite the onward spirit of every Bicolano healthcare worker. Because each of you na nandito ngayon, we are all champions. Kaya palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili for all the efforts we have been exerting up to this very moment. So, let us all raise the energy one more time. Hindi lamang palakpak, kung po pwede no, habang sumusubo tayo. Kaya ba nating magbigay ng isang malakas na hiyawan mula sa inyong lahat? Let us raise the energy. Make some noise! There you have it. Kaya naman simulan natin ang closing ceremony na ito with an opening address to be given to us by the Medical Officer 5 from the Bicol Department of Health, Bicol Center for Health and Development, Dr. Gladys Damdam Escote. A big round of applause, please.
Maray na banggi po sa Indo, Gabos. Buhay pa. Mataas pa ang energy. All I can see are orange color. How about the green? Pagal na. The blue. Nako, high energy pa. Yan. Ano bang kulay ng BRHMC? Nakalimutan ko na yung mga ibang kulay. Okay? Ha? Blue? Violet! Ayan, no? Parang kung ano yung mga nangungunang kulay na nandito, yun na ba yung mga overall? Alam na alam nila ang mga scores. Excited pa rin. Let's continue the energy hanggang matapos po tayo. Actually, it is my great honor and joy to welcome you to the closing program of our Hospital Week 2025. It's been a whirlwind week. No, a celebration that has truly showcased not just our dedication to healthcare, but also the resiliency and spirit of the Bicolano people, especially the Bicolano healthcare workers. As mentioned earlier, this year's themes, On Call, On Courts, Onwards, captures the heart of what it means to be a Bicolano. No? This week reminded us at the nobility of our commitment and the quiet strength behind every white coat, scrub suit, and uniform. Because no matter the crisis, the long hours, or the unseen sacrifices, we Bicolanos always rise to the occasion. Whether during a pandemic, calamity, or in everyday emergencies, we answer the call with compassion and courage. Paano naman yung isa pang theme, yung On Courts? For the energy, unity, and healthy competition we saw as we step beyond the hospital walls to reconnect, recharge, and rediscover the joy of camaraderie. Yung mga long-time friends, nakita ulit natin. Yung mga nagsimula po ng hospital week way back before, we reminisce the moments, the bonding moments with each other. From fun games to friendly tournaments, we cheered, we laughed, and we played, not just as colleagues, but as one big hospital family in the entire Bicol region. Dahil sa mukha po ng stress at kapaguran, exhaustion, we still find time to laugh, play, and build each other up. That's the Bicolano way. That's the Filipino way. We may be tired, but never defeated. We find joy even in the toughest days. This week's friendly competitions and bonding activities reminded us that resilience is not just about endurance. It's also about finding strength in the community. And last is onwards, for the path that lies ahead. Later, we will be announcing who will be or what will be, who will be the next host for next year. BRG ba? BMC po ba? Baka pwede ulit ang PH o Sorsogon? Nagbibisi-bisihan. Lahat po ba happy nung fellowship night? Parang hindi. No? Yes. So, for the path that lies ahead, this week was not just a celebration, it was a renewal of our spirit. Alam ko, in the next week, ito pa rin ang pag-uusapan ng bawat isa sa hospital. As we face the evolving challenges of healthcare, may we move forward with courage, compassion, and collaboration. Dahil hindi po tayo humihinto. We always move forward no matter what. With each challenge, we learn. With each hardship, we grow. Our journey in healthcare is not easy, but our resilience, our Filipino Bicolano resilience, pushes us to move forward with hope and heart. Okay. To all of you, our dear healthcare workers, staff, and even volunteers, saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. This week has been a celebration of your strength, your service, and your unbreakable spirit. Let us now close this week on a high note, on a high energy, as we all honor our efforts and recognize excellence. Let us carry with us the lessons, the laughter, and renewed energy. Always ready, always resilient, always moving. And let us continue the journey on call, on courts, and ever onwards. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat and enjoy the rest of the program. As early as now, congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nakilahok, yung 15, yung 15 participating facilities dahil hindi man tayo makatanggap ng trophy. Pero alam ko, busog na busog ang ating kalooban, ang ating energy. Lalong-lalo na yung mga ibang nanalo sa raffle, paldo ang bulsa. Tama po ba? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Doc Gladys Damdam Escote, for that wonderful opening address. At para ma-set natin yung mood natin para dito sa ating closing ceremony. And now, after days filled with cheers, chants, sweat, sportsmanship, and serious fun, we have finally reached the moment where we honor not just the best of the best, but the bravest, boldest and most on-call, on-court, and onward warriors of this week. From smashing victories on the volleyball court to synchronized dance moves sa Zumba, and even brain-powered battles in online games and contests, you have shown what it meant to be more than healthcare workers. And now, it is time to shine the spotlight on our winners, those who gave their all, played with heart, and proved that healthcare professionals can heal by day and slay by game time. Lahat ng pinagpawisan, lahat ng pinaghirapan, at lahat ng pinagdadasal nating lahat, we are about to recognize. Ready na ang red carpet? Sir Leo, cue the drum rolls. The trophies are all set and the medals, and of course, the bragging rights. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official awarding ceremony of the Regional Bicol Hospital Week 2025. I have now the results. Naka-ready na siya. Sisimulan natin ang awarding ceremony of the sports events, starting with the athletics events. And to present the awards, may we have here on stage Dr. Monray Isaiah Mancilia, Medical Officer for and Chairperson for Salud Bicolon Sports Committee from DOH Bicol CHD. Attorney Shena Ann Belmonte, Attorney 3 and Vice Chairperson for Salud Bicolon Sports Committee. Dr. Eric N. Raborar, Medical Center Chief 2 of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. To present the awards. In behalf of Dr. Eric N. Raborar, may we have the Chief Administrative Officer of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center, Mr. Orlando Magas. Okay, so let's start now the awarding ceremony under men's 100-meter event. Let's start with the second runner-up. Second runner-up, congratulations, Mr. Christian Ray Azulos from Zone Medical and Intervention Hospital. And a representative from ZMIH to claim the award. And let's now proceed to the first runner-up in men's 100-meter under athletics event. The first runner-up, Mr. Noel Adam Cabaltera of Santa Maria Josefa Hospital Foundation Incorporated. Congratulations, Santa Maria Josefa Hospital Foundation Incorporated. First runner-up. And the champion under men's 100-meter. Congratulations! Congratulations! Jamel Olaso from Bicol Medical Center! Congratulations! First championship award under athletics in men's 100 meter ng BMC. Now let's proceed to the women's 100 meter. Our second runner-up. Congratulations! Congratulations, Annalisa Calitisin of DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations. Our first runner-up. Congratulations, Josel Alberto of Bicol Medical Center. And the champion of women's 100 meter under athletics event, congratulations, Joan Laurio of PHO Sorsogon. To our participants who are about to receive an envelope, kindly open it because there will be an instruction indicated therein for you to claim the prize. So meron po tayong booth there at the back. So andun po sila Ma'am Lynn to give you what you deserve to be claimed. Okay? Maraming salamat po. So let us now proceed to the men's 200 meter under athletics event. Ladies and gentlemen, our second runner-up. Congratulations, Rafael Rivero Jr. of BRHMC. Any representative to claim the award from BRHMC? Congratulations, BRHMC. And now our first runner-up in men's 200 meter. athletics event. Congratulations, Marvin Labrador of BRHMC. Congratulations, BRHMC. And now the champion in men's 200 meter under athletics event. Congratulations, Jamel Olaso of Bicol Medical Center. Let us now proceed to awarding the champions in women's 200 meter. Our second runner-up is congratulations, Josel Alberto of Bicol Medical Center. Congratulations, BMC. And our first runner-up in women's 200 meter is congratulations, Jarlene Queen Arce of Bicol Medical Center. And our champion in women's 200 meter under athletics event, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Joan Lario of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations to all the winners. Let's proceed to the winners in men's 400 meter. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Jomar Guardiano of Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Congratulations, BRGH-GMC. Our first runner-up in men's 400 meter is none other than Jomar de la Cruz of DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations, DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. And now the champion in men's 400 meter under athletics event. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to RJ Anuevo of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations to all the winning participants in men's 400 meter. Now let's proceed to women's 400 meter. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Annalyn Nariz of Bicol Medical Center. And now let's proceed to awarding the first runner-up. Our first runner-up is Jarlene Queen Arce of Bicol Medical Center. Sige, tingnan natin kung masusustain niyo yung energy niyo. Tuwang-tuwa kayo ha. First set pa lang to. Kailangan masustain niyo yung energy na yan ha. And the champion in women's 400 meter under athletics event, ladies and gentlemen, Joan Lario of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations. Now let's proceed to a 4x100 meters relay. Our second runner-up, congratulations to Ronald Gonzalez of DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations. And now, our first runner-up. Congratulations to Rafael Rivero Jr. of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations, BRHMC. And our champion in 4x100 meters relay is none other than... Wow. Grabe yung prolongation na yun, ha? Jamel Olaso of Bicol Medical Center. Congratulations to all the winners and the champions under athletics events. Let's now proceed to awarding the champions in badminton. Still, we have on stage Dr. Monre, Attorney Shena, and Dr. Orlando Magas. Okay. The second runner-up in badminton men singles. Congratulations to Alvin Alarte of Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. And our first runner-up, congratulations, Ramil Balmeo of Bicol Medical Center. May pinapatunayan ng BMC. And now, the champion in badminton men's singles division. Congratulations, Dandre Rempis of BRHMC. Congratulations, BRHMC. Let's proceed to the champions and runner-up in badminton men doubles. The second runner-up, Lloyd Azor and Antonio Gonzalez III of DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations. Our first runner-up, congratulations, Raul Nueva and Jonathan Huit of Bicol Medical Center. And now, the champion in badminton men doubles. Congratulations to Dandre Brempis and Ernest J. Zerudo of Bicol Regional and Health and Medical Center, BRHMC.
And we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Champions from Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations! Let's now proceed to awarding the winners in badminton women singles category. Our second runner-up is Rachel Imperial of Legazpi City Hospital. Our first runner-up in badminton women's singles division. Congratulations to Alea Joyce Oliveros of Bicol Medical Center. Nagluluwi ang letter C niyo. Bumababa yung energy nyo, ha? And the champion in badminton women's single, tapatan nyo yung energy, Eliza Lainez Mohar of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations to our champion in badminton women's singles. Let's proceed to awarding the champions and runner-ups in badminton women doubles. Our second runner-up congratulations, Sarah Santa Ana and Leia Paralisan of Bicol Medical Center. And our first runner-up in badminton women doubles. Congratulations, Eileen Coral and Maria Monica Manlangit of PHO Sorsogon. Maghanap ka pa ng kasama para matapatan natin yung BMC. Eto naman, the champion in badminton women doubles, Colonel Inez Mohar and Janelle Morga of Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Congratulations to our winners in badminton women doubles. And finally, we have the winners in badminton mixed doubles. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Joseph Vincent Bermejo and Johanna Luzada of Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Our first runner-up in badminton mixed doubles. Congratulations to Raul Nueva and Alea Joyce Oliveros of Bicol Medical Center. And now the champions in badminton mixed doubles. Congratulations to Ernest J. Zerudo and Eliza Lainez Mohar of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Congratulations. Let's proceed to awarding the champions and runner-up in basketball. Let's proceed to awarding the second runner-up in 5 versus 5 men's regular. Congratulations, the second runner-up Congratulations, Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Do we still have the players of your team, or do we have the coach? We have the coach. Congratulations, BRHMC, second runner-up. And now our first runner-up in basketball, 5 versus 5 men regular. Congratulations to Sorsogon Medical Mission Group Hospital and Health Services Cooperative. Do we have their team representative, their coach, any team player from Sordok? So let us now proceed to awarding the champion of this year's Basketball 5 versus 5 men's regular. It's none other than Team DOH Bicol CHD.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Congratulations to the basketball team of DOH Bicol CHD. Champion in Basketball 5 versus 5 men's regular. And now, the winners in Basketball 5 versus 5 men's 40 up category. Our second runner-up, PHO Sorsogon. Gusto ko talaga yung energy mo. Iangat mo yan na PHO na yan. Baka mamaya, dalawa na kayong sumisigaw ng PHO. Aantayin natin yan. Porque mga taga-Sorsogon ka mo, di rin yung join na. Once again, our second runner-up, basketball team, PHO Sorsogon. Our first runner-up in Basketball 5 versus 5 men's 40 up. Congratulations to Team BMC! Congratulations to our first runner-up team in Basketball 5 versus 5 men's 40 up from Bicol Medical Center. And the champion in Basketball 5 versus 5 men's 40 up. Congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations, Coach. And this time, let us acknowledge the amazing skill in basketball of this one player, our most valuable player in men basketball category. Congratulations to Michael Angelo Aquino of DOH Bicol CHD. You are this year's MVP. Congratulations. And now our three-point shooter. Congratulations. Mark Brian Almine of Sorsogon Medical Mission Group Hospital and Health Services Cooperative. Let us now proceed to basketball 3x3 women's category. Our second runner-up, congratulations to DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. Our first runner-up, congratulations to Team BRHMC, Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. And the champion in basketball 3x3 women's division, congratulations, Bicol Medical Center!
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
At sa kanila rin po nagmula ang most valuable player from Bicol Medical Center. Let's give the award to Gail Lauren Patanao. Congratulations. The second runner-up in singles division. Congratulations. Duwa na ka mo. Duwa lang ang nabati ko. Do we have any representative from PHO? Billiards, singles. Oh, saro pa lang talaga. Binayaan ka sa tulong mo nakaupod. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Our first runner-up in billiard singles category. Congratulations to Zone Medical and Intervention Hospital Incorporated. And the champion in billiard singles, congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BRHMC. And now let's proceed to its doubles category in billiards. Our second runner-up, congratulations to PMC. Congratulations, BMC second runner-up. Now, our first runner-up in billiards doubles. Congratulations to Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Madami lang ang letters sa inyo, no? Kaya hindi kayo makasabay sa energy ng BMC. Sabayan natin mamaya. And the champion in billiards doubles, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
Congratulations. Now let's proceed to awarding the winners in chess. Our second runner-up in chess women category, Congratulations, Irish Velasco and Ruby Ann Guerrero of BRGHGMC. And our first runner-up in chess women's category, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Amy Grace Cornejo and Ana Grace Cornejo of Bicol Medical Center. And this year's champion in chess women's category, congratulations to Princess May Cordovilla and Anne Leslie Santillan of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BRHMC. Let's proceed to awarding the winners in chess men's category. Our second runner-up, congratulations, Joel Caceres and Rayrene Colores of BMC. Congratulations, BMC. And our first runner-up in chess men's category, congratulations, Jonathan Timajo and Napoleon Macasinag of DOH Bicol CHD. And our champion in chess men's category, congratulations to Joshua Carl Ricacho and Gary Monsalve of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Maraming salamat and congratulations to all the champions and winners in our first set of events. Maraming salamat din po, Doc Monray, Attorney Shena Ann, and Doc Orlando for presenting the awards. So let us now proceed to awarding the second set of awards, which are Darts E-Games futsal, lawn tennis, and Scrabble. And to award these, the trophies and may we have on stage Dr. Ronnie Gregorio Higantoni III, Dr. Ramon C. Echano, and Dr. Maria Lourdes M. Anson. So let's now award the trophies and the medals to the winners in darts men singles. Our second runner-up is Seth Ivan Midel of DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations. Our first runner-up in darts men's singles. Congratulations to Emmanuel Malasa of BRGH GMC. Congratulations. And our champion in darts men's singles, congratulations to Ronald Calios of Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Garo mapapanaginipan ko ang chant kang BMC. Let's proceed to men doubles. Same event, darts. Our second runner-up. Congratulations to Ronald Calios and Jarcy Hidalgo of BMC. Ata mabiyahe ka mo, tururog ka mo. Congratulations, BMC second runner-up. And our first runner-up in darts men doubles category. Congratulations to Alvin Santiago and Marlon Nocedo of DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations. And this year's champion in darts men doubles category. Congratulations to Erickson Palencia and Dominador Atento Jr. of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BRHMC champion. Congratulations. And now let's proceed to darts women singles. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Marie Jean Rillo of DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Our first runner-up. Congratulations to Lorraine Griarte of BRGH GMC. And our champion in darts women's singles, congratulations to Ricky Bronzal of Santa Maria Josefa Hospital Foundation Incorporated.
And we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions.
Congratulations, SMJ HFI. And now, the winners in darts women doubles. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Ella May Nuiles and Catherine Valencia of DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD, our second runner-up. Our first runner-up. Congratulations, Catherine Zagada and Ricky Bronzal of Santa Maria Josefa Hospital Foundation Incorporated. And our champion in darts women doubles category. Congratulations to Regina Gonzalgo and Jessin Galeza of PHO Sorsogon.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Para masiyak, pahuway. Yes. Let's now proceed to awarding the winners in darts mixed doubles. Our second runner-up, congratulations, Ronald Calios and Eliza Lane Paraino of BMC. Congratulations, BMC. And our first runner-up in darts mixed doubles. Congratulations to Mark Anthony Floresca and Beatriz Abiar of PHO Sorsogon. At least may banner na, di ba? Pero di rin nababati ang si Yaksan banner. Okay. Congratulations, PHO. And this year's champion in darts mixed doubles. Congratulations to Yukita Castillo and Dominador Atento Jr. of BRHMC.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BRHMC. You are this year's champion in darts mixed doubles. And now, let's proceed to futsal. Let's begin with the men's category. Our second runner-up in futsal men's category is Team PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon, our second runner-up. Now, our first runner-up in futsal men's category. Congratulations, BRHMC! Congratulations, BRHMC. And this year's champion in futsal men's category. Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BMC. At sa kanila rin po, nagmula ang ating most valuable player or the best player. I-award na natin yan kay Jimber Loyola. Congratulations! MVP Best Player ng Futsal Men's Category, Jimber Loyola of BMC. And of course, we have the Golden Boot. From BMC, Wilfredo Christian Amien. Congratulations, BMC. Ayan. Let's proceed to the women's category. Our second runner-up in futsal women's category. Congratulations to BRHMC. Ano, para tayo may tahimik nyo. Congratulations, BRHMC, second runner-up. And our first runner-up in futsal women's category. Congratulations to DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. And this year's champion in futsal women's category, congratulations, Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
us also award the most valuable player or the best player in futsal women's category from Bicol Medical Center, Nicole Jaira Pante. Hindi lang yan because you are also this year's Golden Boot. Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center. Champion in futsal women's category. Now let's proceed to lawn tennis. Under men singles category, our second runner-up is Mr. Joseph Franz Alegre of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO. May 15 na nagsuriyaw hali sa grupo niyo. And our first runner-up in lawn tennis men singles from BRHMC, Roque Talier. And this year's champion in lawn tennis men's singles, congratulations to Mr. Albert Cornelio of BMC.
We are the champions, my friend. And we'll keep on fighting.
Congratulations, BMC. And now let's proceed to the winners in lawn tennis under men doubles. Our second runner-up. Congratulations to Aaron Joseph Carpio and Patrick Torre of PHO Sorsogon. May we ask a representative to receive the awards? Wow! Billiard player na, lawn tennis pa. Ibang talent ni Doc Edric. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Our first runner-up, congratulations to RJ Pante and Raj Gerard De Coco of BRHMC. Congratulations, BRHMC. And now, our champion in lawn tennis under men doubles. Congratulations to Albert Cornejo and Glenn Elmer Vergara of Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BMC. And now, under women singles, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Lorna Lopez of PHO Sorsogon. Salamat. Thank you, PHO. Congratulations. Congratulations, Doc Lorna. And our first runner-up. Congratulations to Preciosa Serrano of BRHMC. And our champion in lawn tennis under women singles, congratulations to Maria Daniel Molina of DOH Bicol CHD.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. And now, under women doubles, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Lorna Lopez and Theoray Tan of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Nagdadamo na talaga. Okay yan. And our first runner-up. Congratulations, Angie Perez Tonato and Maria Emma Almoneda of Bicol Medical Center. Congratulations, BMC, and this year's champion in lawn tennis under women doubles. Congratulations to Mary Dan Loar and Maria Danielle Molina of DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. Let's proceed to awarding the winners in lawn tennis under mixed doubles. Our second runner-up, congratulations to Heriberto Bajado and Maria Francisca Almonte of DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Congratulations. And our first runner-up, Glenn Elma Vergara and Angie Perez Tonanto of BMC. And this year's champion in lawn tennis under mixed doubles, congratulations to Roque Talier and Preciosa Serrano of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BRHMC, for the championship award. Next, we have the esports mobile legend. Our second runner-up, congratulations to Team BMC. Congratulations, our first runner-up. Congratulations to Zone Medical and Intervention Hospital Incorporated. Yay. And the representative. And now, this year's champion in Mobile Legends. Congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
And our MVP in Mobile Legend, congratulations to Jeza Marie Bona. From BRHMC. Congratulations, BRHMC, our champion in Mobile Legends. And last for this set, the Scrabble. Our second runner-up in Scrabble. Congratulations to Allied Care Experts Medical Center Legazpi Incorporated. Congratulations, Ace. And our first runner-up in Scrabble, congratulations to Bicol Medical Center. And this year's champion in Scrabble, congratulations to Team Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations to all the winners in darts, in Mobile Legend, in futsal, lawn tennis, and Scrabble. Maraming salamat din po, Dr. Ronnie Gregorio B. Agantado III and Dr. Ramon Ciachano. And now, let's proceed. Tuloy-tuloy tayo. Let's proceed to presenting the awards in the following games and events: sepak takraw, swimming, table tennis, and volleyball. And to present the trophies, medals, and certificates, may we have on stage Dr. Angela Maria B. Rempilio, Medical Officer 4 of DOH
Bicol CHD, and Dr. Alberto Manduriao, Regional Vice President of PhilHealth Region 5. And now, let's proceed to awarding the champion in Sepak Takraw. Our second runner-up, congratulations to PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Our first runner-up, congratulations to Bicol Medical Center. And congratulations, BMC. And this year's champion in Sepak Takraw, congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BRHMC. And so, let's proceed to awarding the winners in swimming. Under freestyle men's category, our second runner-up, congratulations to Artus Errol Perlas of ZMIH. Congratulations. Our first runner-up, freestyle men's category, congratulations to Mark Lawrence Barrios of BMC. And our champion in swimming under freestyle men's category, Victor Andre L. Perez of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BRHMC. Let's proceed to swimming under freestyle women's category. Our second runner-up, congratulations to Kimberly Jean Labayane of BRGH GMC. Our first runner-up, congratulations, Patricia Bianca Salcedo of BMC. And this year's champion in swimming under freestyle women's category, congratulations to Jean Moray Zapanta of PHO Sorsogon.
The champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Now under breaststroke men's category in swimming, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Roy and Nilo Badong of BRGH GMC. Hi. Merong request ang ating audience. Ano yung sinisigaw nyo? Sir, wala na. Awarding ceremony ito, hindi to wedding reception. And our first runner-up under breaststroke men. Congratulations, Artus Errol Perlas of ZMIH. And our champion under breaststroke men's category, congratulations to Christopher Alinod of Bicol Medical Center.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions.
Congratulations, BMC. Under breaststroke women's category, our second runner-up, Maria Veronica Carrascal of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. And our first runner-up in breaststroke women's category, congratulations, Marie Christine Nolial of DOH Bicol CHD. Any representative from DOH Bicol CHD? Dr. Gladys. Dapat nagbe-breaststroke man siya. Pasakat sa stroke. Ganito pala ang awarding. Medyo mahaba. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. And our champion under breaststroke women's category, congratulations, and Jeanette Klein Garcia of Bicol Medical Center.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BMC. Now, the winners in swimming under backstroke men's category. Our second runner-up, John Albert Pan of BRGHGMC. And our first runner-up under the same category, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to Christopher Alinod of BMC. Grabing energy nyo. And this year's champion under backstroke men's category in swimming, congratulations to Victor Andre L. Perez of BRHMC.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, BRHMC. Let's proceed. Our winners under backstroke women's category in swimming, our second runner-up, Miki Santiago of BRHMC. And a representative from BRHMC to claim the award of Miki Santiago, our second runner-up. Congratulations. And this year's first runner-up. It's a tie between BRGHGMC and BMC. We have Carol Chavez and Darlene Paite respectively. Our first runner-up. Congratulations, BRGHGMC and BMC. And this year's champion under backstroke women's category in swimming. Congratulations to Jean Murray Zapanta of PHO Sorsogon.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations. Let us now proceed under butterfly men. Our second runner-up. Congratulations to Hey. Nalobat. Hello. Sound check. Our second runner-up is Mr. Roy Nilo Badong of BRGHGMC. Baka dito pagbigyan na nila tayo. Diba? Love is sweeter inside around. Paano ba yung butterfly kiss? Habang nagbe-breaststroke. Ganon. Congratulations. And our first runner-up. Our first runner-up. Congratulations, Engelbert Albuerne of BMC. Congratulations. And now our champion under butterfly men's category in swimming. Congratulations to Anthony Dio of BRHMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Let's proceed to butterfly women. In swimming, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Miki Santiago of BRHMC. Makakumpleto mo, sir, ang 10,000 steps sa kakabalik-balik mo dito sa stage. Congratulations. And our first runner-up under butterfly women's category. Congratulations to Jean Murray Zapanta of PHO Sorsogon. And this year's champion in swimming under butterfly women's category. Congratulations, Patricia Bianca Salcedo of BMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations. Let's proceed in table tennis, under men singles category, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Aaron Joseph Carpio of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations. Our first runner-up. Congratulations to Angelino Nelson Goma Jr. of BRHMC. And our champion under men's singles, congratulations to Leo Kiano of BMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations. Before we proceed, may we have the attention of the owner of the black pickup na nakapark po sa labas with plate number HAT510. Kung po pwede po, let us give way sa other vehicles na lalabas po. Again, black pickup with plate number HAT510. Maraming salamat po. Pagpatuloy na natin ito. Under men doubles in table tennis, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Errol Chua and Alan Batalier of BRHMC. Congratulations. And our first runner-up in table tennis under men doubles category, congratulations to Renato Bolo Jr. and Dante Rusgal of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. And our champion in table tennis under men doubles category, congratulations to Leo Kiano and Pedro Nacional of BMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Let's proceed. Under women singles category in table tennis, our second runner-up. Congratulations to Mary Ann Guzman Ladao of BMC. Congratulations. Our first runner-up. Congratulations to Joanna May Maligat of DOH Bicol CHD. And our champion in table tennis under women singles category, congratulations to Jani Peña Redondo of BRGH GMC.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations, our champions. Let's proceed to table tennis under women doubles category. Our second runner-up. Congratulations to Jani Peña Redondo and Al Amira Orsua of BRGH GMC. Our first runner-up. Congratulations to Judith Chavez and Mary Ann Guzman Ladao of BMC. And our champion in table tennis under women doubles category, congratulations to Jelly Rose Villanueva and Carmela Joshel Saba of BRHMC.
Champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations. And the last category under table tennis, we have the mixed doubles. And our second runner-up, congratulations to Renato Bolo Jr. and Christian Vivian Bolo of PHO Sorsogon. Naku, mukhang may i-request din ang madla. Mukhang tatapatan ang love team ng swimmer ng table tennis. Wala. Sorry kung natapakan po namin ng pagka-love team nyo. Our first runner-up. Congratulations, Angelino Nelson Goma Jr. and Carmela Joshel Salva of BRHMC. And our champion in table tennis under mixed doubles. Congratulations to Leo Quiano and Marian Guzman Ladao of Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end.
Congratulations to all the winners in table tennis. And we have our winners in volleyball. Our second runner-up in volleyball men. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. And our first runner-up in volleyball under men's category. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. And this time, our champion in volleyball men. Congratulations to Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
And this time, let us award this special individual award to our volleyball players. Starting with our best spiker. Our best spiker of this year's. Congratulations, Milky Mesa of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, Milky Mesa, our best spiker from PHO Sorsogon. We also have our best setter. Our best setter is Edison Cabrera from Bicol Medical Center. And this year's most valuable player in volleyball under men's category, congratulations to Jeffrey Bravante of Bicol Medical Center. Let's now proceed to the women's category. In volleyball, our second runner-up. Congratulations to PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Our first runner-up. Congratulations to DOH Bicol CHD. And our champion in volleyball under women's category, congratulations to Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world.
Congratulations, BMC. And it's time for us to award the individual special awards to the following players. Our best spiker under women's category, congratulations to Ray and Pauline Abad of DOH Bicol CHD. And our best setter, congratulations to Mary Rose Baniel of Bicol Medical Center. And this year's most valuable player in volleyball under women's category, congratulations to Julie Ann Peña of Bicol Medical Center. Congratulations to all of the winners. And of course, we have an additional special recognition. Let me read the citation. The certificate of recognition is proudly presented to Jamel Olaso in recognition for being the best athlete in the athletics male category during the Bicol Regional Hospital Week 2025 held on August 4 to 8, 2025 in the province of Sorsogon. Signed by the Provincial Health Officer to Renato B. Bolo Jr. Oh, from BMC. The same recognition is proudly presented to Joanne Laurio as Best Athlete in the athletics female category. Congratulations to all the winners in Sepak Takraw, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, and of course, our special awardees as the best male and female athletes. Maraming salamat din po, Dr. Angela Maria B. Rempilio and Sir Alberto Manduriao. Now, let's take a break. Get ready to smile, cheer, and relieve the fun. From hospital halls to sport courts, the energy was unstoppable. Kaya naman, here's a quick blast of joy, teamwork, and hospital pride. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bicol Original Bicol Hospital Week 2025 On Call, On Courts, On Ward highlights.
Today, as we celebrate Regional Hospital Week here in the beautiful province of Sorsogon, we are honored to be joined by the very people who work tirelessly behind the scenes and at the front lines of healthcare. These hospitals, facilities, and offices, both public and private, represent the strength, compassion, and resilience of our region's healthcare system.
Hospital Week 2025 Game
sawang paglilingkod, sakripisyo, at ang kahangahangang dedikasyon ng ating mga health workers sa Bicol. Upang ipamalas ang ating mga galing at talento, higit sa lahat upang bigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng patuloy na pagtataguyod ng isang ligtas na pamayanan, maayos na mga pasilidad at dekalidad na serbisyong pangkalusugan.
manalo. Manalo pagdating sa pagbibigay ng serbisyong kalusugan sa buong Bicol Region. To provide the services for the patients, to provide the services to the communities.
And those are the highlights of this year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week. Let's continue to taking the pride as our roles, no, in providing quality and effective health and care services across the Bicol region. Maraming salamat and congratulations. And now, let's continue the awarding ceremony for the special events. Let us call in on stage Dr. Maria Priscilla C. Fajardo, Provincial Health Officer 1 of PHO Sorsogon, and Dr. Gladys S. Damdam Escote, Medical 5 of DOH Bicol CHD, to present the awards of the following special events in Laro ng Lahi. In behalf of Dr. Maria Priscilla Fajardo, we have Dr. Edric Ian Vargas. Let us now proceed to awarding the winners in Laro ng Lahi under Sako-Sako na Pamolino event. Our second runner-up, congratulations to PHO Sorsogon! Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. And the first runner-up in Sako-Sako na Pamolino. Congratulations, DOH Malinao Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. Any representative from Malinao? And our champion in Sako-Sako na Pamolino, congratulations to DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. Let's proceed to the winners in Bakya Moneneng. Our second runner-up. Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center. Hala, may energy pa sila. And our first runner-up in Bakya Moneneng. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. champion in Bakia Moneneng. Congratulations to PHO Sorsogon. So they were the players who were well coordinated in taking steps sa giant bakya ni Neneng. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. And the last event under Laro ng Lahi. Our second runner-up in Salbatana. Congratulations to Bicol Medical Center. And our first runner-up in Salbatana. Congratulations to DOH Bicol CHD. And the champion in Salbatana. Congratulations to BRHMC. Congratulations, BRHMC. Champion in Salbatana. Asentado, BRHMC. Congratulations to all the winners in Laro ng Lahi. Maraming salamat, Dr. Gladys, for joining Doc Edric. Doc Edric, please stay on stage, for we are about to award the winners in Battle of the Bands. And may we invite again on stage Attorney Shena Ann Belmonte, Attorney 3 and Vice Chairperson for Salud Bicol Non-Sports Committee from DOH Bicol CHD. And now, the second runner-up in Battle of the Bands. Congratulations to PHO Sorsogon. We have the band members of PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. our first runner-up in Battle of the Bands for this year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week. Congratulations, PhilHealth Region 5. Which means our champion in the Battle of the Bands is BRGH GMC. Congratulations to PhilHealth Region 5 for bragging the first runner-up spot. At ang Rock and Roll ang kampiyon sa Battle of the Bands, ladies and gentlemen. We have Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Rock and roll! Congratulations, BRGH GMC, our champion in Battle of the Bands. Yan. Maraming salamat din po, Attorney Shena Ann Del Monte and Dr. Edric Ian Vargas for presenting the awards. And now, let's proceed to awarding the winners in Zumba Dance Competition. Maraming nagtay sa first runner-up. Meron tayong dalawang champion for this year's Zumba Dance Competition. And now, to present the award, may we have on stage Dr. Dayan Marie Toledo, RHP from PHO Sorsogon, and Dr. Monray Isaiah Mancilia, Medical Officer for and Chairperson for Salud Bicolnon Sports Committee of DOH Bicol CHD. Okay, our second runner-up. Congratulations, DOH Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. We have our Zumba warriors from Camarines Sur Treatment and Rehabilitation Center. And this time, the first runner-up. Since we have 3 groups here on the same spot, isa-isa po nating tatawagin sila para hindi tayo maging crowded dito. And so you may have your own spotlight here on stage as the first runner-up. Our first runner-up in the Zumba dance competition. Congratulations. Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. Sila ang una na nakasungkit ng first runner-up. Congratulations. And another group who bragged the first runner-up spot is PHO Sorsogon. Congratulations, PHO Sorsogon. Another first runner-up. Ibig sabihin, meron na lamang tayong 3 grupo na hinihintay ang kanilang rango para sa Zumba Dance Competition. Naging mainit ang labanan. Naging masaya ang hatawan. Sino nga ang kukumpleto sa first runner-up? And of course, ang 2 facility and groups na kampiyon sa ating Zumba Dance Competition. Congratulations. Akay man may energy ka. Kay Zumba Warrior ka pala. Okay. Eto na. Ang mga natitira. Eto na. Unang clue sa ating champion. Merong word na Bicol sa kanilang facility. At ang kukumpleto sa first runner-up spot para sa ating Zumba Dance Competition ay Bicol Medical Center! Ibig sabihin, ang kampiyon sa Zumba Dance Competition, walang iba, DOH Bicol CHD at Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center. You are also the first runner-up in Zumba dance competition. Eto na! Matagal man nating ikinimkim sa mga nagtatanong mula sa mga institusyong ito, hindi nagamit ang pagkakaibigan. Pero this time, chat sila ng chat. Sino na nga bang nanalo sa amin? Wala po akong kinalaman. Nalimutan ko. Pero eto na nga, totoo na. Umakyat na kayo sa stage because you are one of the champions in Bicol Dance Zumba Competition. Congratulations, Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Diba? Akala niyo sa akin madadala niyo ako. Kung nagbayad ka mo 2.5. Charot lang. Tayo po ay may prinsipyo. Depende. Mga prinsipyo tayo. Congratulations! And of course, another champion for this year's Zumba Dance Competition. Ladies and gentlemen, DOH Bicol CHD. Congratulations, DOH Bicol CHD. And maraming salamat Dr. Dayan Marie Toledo and Doc Monre Isaiah Mancilia for presenting the awards. Malapit na po tayo sa major highlight ng ating awarding ceremony, which is the awarding of overall champion. But before that, let us award the winners of Mr. and Miss Hospital Week 2025. And to present the awards, may we have on stage Dr. Luis Miguel L. Doloiras, RHP of PHO Sorsogon, and Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio, OIC Director 4 of DOH Bicol CHD. Our second runner-up of Mr. Hospital Week 2025. Congratulations to Mr. Christian Ray Alamil of BRHMC. And our first runner-up for Mr. Hospital Week 2025 is Dr. Oscar Marge John Estelier of DOH Bicol CHD. Kagabi natunghayan natin ang coronation night ng ating mga kalahok sa Mr. and Miss Hospital Week. And we have witnessed how brainy and talented our doctors and the healthcare workers were on stage. And our Mr. Hospital Week of this year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week 2025 is none other than Dr. Joshua Manalastas from PHO Sorsogon. Nag-beauty rest na si Doc. Naka-duty na ngayon ang ating reigning king. And on behalf, we have the managers, the talent managers, the mentor. We have Miss Sorsogon, 1989 BC, Miss Dolly. And little Mr. Bulan, 2001, Doc Edric Ian Vargas. And our Miss Hospital Week 2025 second runner-up is Miss Dawn Denise David of BRHMC. And our first runner-up, we have Miss K. Arcilia Gavino of DOH Bicol CHD. And we have our Miss Hospital Week 2025, who is on duty, on call, on hospital, on ward. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Dr. Via Reyena Villena of PHO Sorsogon. And to receive the certificate, we have, ayan, Miss Camarines Sur, 1979 BC, Dr. Diane Toledo. Congratulations to all the winners. And this time, before we proceed to awarding the major awards, the overall champion, let us come to a symbolic moment. The ceremonial turnover of the key as a gesture that marks not just the closing of this year's, but the opening of a new chapter. So with pride, we pass on this symbol of trust, responsibility, and camaraderie to next year's host as they carry forward our shared spirit of excellence, unity, and service. And may we have on stage for the turnover of the key, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio, OIC Director 4 of DOH Bicol CHD, we have Dr. Renato B. Bolo Jr., Provincial Health Officer 2 of PHO Sorsogon, Dr. Gladys S. Damdam Escote, Medical Officer 5 of DOH Bicol CHD, and Dr. Roberto Chacon Jr., the Acting Provincial Health Officer 1 of PHO Sorsogon. On behalf of Dr. Robbie, we are asking the presence. We have Doc Robbie. Hello, Doc Robbie. Okay. Alas 9 na kaya, Doc. Okay. And now, let us witness the passing of the key. With pride, we pass on the symbol of trust, responsibility, and camaraderie to next year's host as they carry forward our shared spirit of excellence, unity, and service. May this key unlock another year of success and celebration for all. Congratulations and thank you so much. And before we proceed to the major award, let us listen to a special message coming from the Provincial Health Officer 2. Let's invite him back on stage, Dr. Renato B. Bolo Jr. for your message.
Closing na pala to? Akala ko opening ulit. Hindi ko na ho papahabain pa. Sa ngalan po ng ama ng aming probinsya, Governor Boboy Hamor, pinapaabot po namin ang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo, sa inyong pag-compete, at sana po nag-enjoy po kayo dito sa Sorsogon. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? So ulitin ko po bilang pagtatapos ng ating programa, we look forward to seeing you again sa ating next Hospital Week with the DOH, and muli pinapaabot po namin ang muling pasasalamat at looking forward talaga po kami na makita kayong muli. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din po, Doc June. And now, the major awards! Oh my God! We are going to project the top 5 here on screen before I announce the second runner-up, the first runner-up, and the overall champion of this year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week celebration. Now, ladies and gentlemen, pwede na tayong bumaba. Baba tayo. Lahat ng mga nasa bleachers, baba na kayo. Dito na tayo upang harap tayo na nandito sa ating screen, presenting to you our top 5 institutions. We have the Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Bicol Medical Center. Bicol Region General Hospital and Geriatric Medical Center. The DOH Bicol CHD. And the Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon. Sa pagkakataong ito, 3 lamang po ang aakyat sa stage. 3 grupo. The second runner-up, the first runner-up, and the overall champion. Let's begin with the second runner-up. And to present the awards to our second runner-up, may we invite on stage Dr. Maria Priscilla C. Fajardo, Dr. Luis Miguel de Loiras, Dr. Edric Ian Vargas, and Dr. Diane Marie Toledo. After all the announcements of the overall champion, we are also going to project the total scores of these institutions for the sake of transparency. And now, the overall second runner-up. Congratulations to receive awards. Alas 10 na. A cash prize? What is this? Oh! Kaya naman pala. The Bicol Regional Hospital Week 2025 second runner-up will receive 24,000 pesos cash, a trophy, a plaque, and a certificate printed exclusively in the province of Sorsogon, the land of Kasangayahan. Ladies and gentlemen, the second runner-up is... the Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon. Congratulations, Provincial Health Office of Sorsogon. Congratulations. At maraming salamat po, Dr. Luis Miguel de Loiras, Dr. Edric Ian Vargas, and Dr. Diane Marie Toledo for presenting the award. And now, let's proceed to the first runner-up of this year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week celebration. Our first runner-up, may we invite on stage Dr. Gladys S. Demdam Escote, Medical Officer 5 of DOH Bicol CHD, Dr. Roberto Chacon Jr., Acting Provincial Health Officer 1 of PHO Sorsogon, and Dr. Daniel John D. Lachica, Supervising Chief of Hospital of Sorsogon Provincial Hospital. On behalf of Doc Dan, may we invite Dr. June Bolo to please share the stage with Doc Robbie and Doc Gladys to present the awards to our first runner-up, who will be receiving 32,000 pesos in cash with plaque and certificate of recognition to your facility. And now, our first runner-up. Congratulations to Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center. Congratulations to BRHMC, this year's first runner-up in the Regional Bicol Hospital Week. Maraming salamat din po, Doc Gladys, Doc Robbie, and Doc June in presenting the awards to our first runner-up. And eto na nga. This year's Regional Bicol Hospital Week champion. To present the major award, may we invite on stage Mr. Alberto Manduriao, the Regional Vice President of PhilHealth Region 5, the former DOH Undersecretary Dr. Nestor Santiago, and the Director 4, OIC Director 4 of DOH Bicol CHD, Dr. Rosa Maria B. Rempilio. This year's champion will be receiving 40,000 pesos in cash, a plaque of recognition, and a certificate of recognition. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Regional Bicol Hospital Week 2025 overall champion, Energy Bicol Medical Center.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we
Congratulations, Bicol Medical Center, the overall champion of the Regional Bicol Hospital Week 2025 celebration. And just like that, what a week it has been. From the adrenaline-pumping games, the unbeatable dance moves, the non-stop cheering, and of course, the unstoppable hospital spirit, we have truly shown what it means to be on call, on courts, on ward. To all the participants, organizers, cheerleaders, supporters, and the suppliers, please give yourselves a big round of applause. As we close this unforgettable chapter of Regional Bicol Hospital Week, may we take with us not just medals and memories, but stronger friendships, a renewed spirit of service, and a heart that beats louder for teamwork and care. This is not goodbye, it's just a timeout. So until we meet again, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep that hospital spirit alive. This has been your host, Mark Kevin Nares Lustan, signing off with pride and power, because here in Bicol Region, we are always all together. The theme, on call, on cards, on